class of 2024. My name is Mr. Norton. I'm the building principal here, and along with Mr. Doyle, Ms. Barton, and Mr. Tankersley, we want to welcome you to Smith Cotton High School. We apologize we're not able to see you in person for open houses, but we think we have a special virtual open house that will introduce you to the building, a few of the Link Crew leaders, and the Freshman Academy staff. Do not worry about day one. We will take care of you. We will make sure that you find your way. We will make sure you have everything you need. You will get your Chromebooks during first hour. We will introduce you to the building throughout the day. We will remind you of what it will look like throughout the day. All you need to do is come with a smile on your face, and you will be prepared and ready for your first day of high school. Thank you.
Good afternoon, class of 2024. I am so excited to be your school counselor for the next 4 years. My name is Katie Ellis, and I have been a school counselor for 8 years. And so I am super excited to have my first group of freshmen, you all. So I know there's so many uneasy feelings right now with all of the unknowns, but rest assured I will be here to help you answer any questions you have, help you transition from junior high to the high school. I'm just an email or a phone call away, so please utilize me as a resource. Schedules. I know that many of you are wanting to see what your schedules look like for the fall semester, and those will be ready soon. We don't have a date yet, but we will send you an email and let you know when those are ready, and you can log in to either the SIS K-12 online through the Sedalia 200 webpage, or if you'd like to download the app, it's the SIS 360 app. So make sure you check that out because your schedule will be available through that app as well. So another important piece of information that I would like for you to consider downloading on your phones would be the Sedalia 200 app. It is full of resources and great information, and Mr. Satnin is amazing at sending updates to you through that resource. So again, I'm super excited to be transitioning with you this year as we start the 2020-2021 school year. Please reach out to me and let me know how I can help. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Steinkuhler. I'm a Link Crew coordinator here at Smith Cotton High School. Link Crew is a transition program for freshmen that welcomes them and helps them be successful their freshman year. Our Link leaders are mentors to our freshmen who help guide them through this transition. Typically, we have orientation the first day of school or the day before, and this year we won't be able to do that. So we have Link leaders here that are going to take you on a tour of the building to help you be familiar with it before the first day of school.
Hi, my name is Faith Johnson. I will be an incoming senior this year. So the way our building is set up is A starts out in the gym. So if your schedule with your room number starts with A, it'll be in the gym. And it goes all the way to E, down by the Performing Arts Center, and that's where like band and fine arts is. And if your schedule starts with a 0, it's down in the basement, and if it has a 1, it'll be on the top floor. We are starting at the front doors of the school, and right here is the attendance window. So if you come in late or something, you'll check in there. And then right this way is our front office, where we have all of our principals. And we also have Mr. Davis, who is our athletic director. If you have any questions regarding, sports or activities, he'll be the guy to talk to. And then and security. Miss Stark is the head of our security department here, and she runs a tight ship. Right this way is the counselor's office. We have 4 counselors, one for every grade level. And yours this year will be Miss Ellis. She also has a service dog that's cute as all get out. We have Miss Ellis's room right there. Miss Swain is for A+, so if you have any questions regarding A+, she'll be the lady to talk to. Miss Foster is always at the front desk. She can help you out with most stuff. And right this way is the main hallway of the high school. And we also have a nurse's office right there on your left. There's a big yellow sign. Then if we continue this way, this is our common area. There are a couple classrooms in here. Your computer labs are right here. And then a lot of the business classes are in here as well. Usually there's furniture in here too that makes it feel kind of homey. There's different events and stuff going on the TVs that'll be saying what's going on around the building. We have a school store over there. And then if you walk all the way back, we'll go right into the library with Miss Blackburn.
Hi, I'm Natalie Aderman and I'll be a senior this year. So you just saw the upper C wing and this is the lower C wing. There's a couple ways to enter. There's doors and stairs down to your left and to your right. And you can also enter through our Project Lead the Way wing, which is at the back of the lower C. Upward Bound is also housed down here, so if you have any questions regarding Upward Bound, just go to the office back there. And this is where all your freshman core classes will be, so your math, your history, your science, and your English. We walked down the hall further in the lower C wing to our Project Lead the Way wing. This is the home of Team Scream and HOSA, so if you have any engineering with Mr. Wright, computer science with Mr. Walters, or biomedical classes with Ms. Singer, this is where you'll come for these classes.
Hi, my name is Alexis Spencer and I'm an incoming senior, and we're now in the A wing at the end of the building where the gym is located. This is where you'll meet for all your PE classes. On this side is where boys PE will meet with Coach Hagedorn, as well as the AC room and the boys locker room. On that side is where the girls PE class with Coach Miller will meet, as well as the girls locker room.
Hi, I'm Carly Franklin. I'm an incoming senior. So right now we're in the cafeteria, which is around the corner from the gym. When you enter the cafeteria, there's two different lines, so there'll be one over here and then one over here. They serve the same food, so a good tip is just to get in the shorter line. If you bring your own food, there's 3 different microwaves around the cafeteria. There's like one in this corner, back there, and then one over there. And then also something that's different from the junior highs, we have a touch tunes jukebox, so you can play music during lunch, and there's actually an app you can download that will allow you to play music.
All right, now we are in the upper B wing. It's the 2 green hallways upstairs. And for you guys, probably the only class you'll have up here is JROTC, and this is Sergeant Major with the program.
How y'all doing? I am the 9th grade teacher for the Junior OTC cadets. This is our hallway down here, and I welcome all of you all back to Smith Cotton High School, and we cannot wait to get you.
So now we're in the upper D wing. Up here is where most of the upperclassmen have their math classes, and since you guys won't have those, you will have classes ranging from foreign language, health, business, and Tiger Times.
So we're now in the E wing, which is behind the Performing Arts Center, and it's the far back corner of the building. Down here the classes are choir, band, and any theater classes.
We're back in the basement in the lower D wing hallway. This is where all of our arts and facts classes are located. So pretty much if you like to be creative, this is the hallway for you.
Hi, class of 2024.
We're Team Victory!
I'm Mrs. Steinkühler and I teach English.
I'm Mr. Sparks, I teach biology.
I'm Sheila Schultz and I teach with Ms. Steinkühler.
I'm Miss Alexander, I teach world history.
I'm Mr. Schildmeyer, teach math.
We know this year will look a little bit different for us from years before, but we're looking forward to meeting you and really getting to know you.
Team Legendary, welcome to Smith Cotton High School. Did you know that you were the 99th class to come through here? My name is Mr. Janke. I am the team leader and I teach world history.
I'm Mr. Swain, I teach math.
I'm Mrs. Fisher, I teach English.
I'm Mrs. Fisher's student teacher, Ms. Horton.
I'm Ms. Stone, I teach biology.
I'm Mrs. Hunsaker, I also teach biology.
Welcome, class of 2024. We are Team Supreme. I'm Mr. Young, your world history teacher.
I'm Mrs. Johnson, your English teacher.
I'm Mr. Dillon, I'll be teaching biology.
I'm Mrs. Childers and I teach math.
I'm Mrs. Enlow and I teach world history.
And we
can't wait to meet you!